Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? Today we are making a delicious pot of black soup. Let me use my favorite pot. Hey guys, let's make it delicious. Let's get into the video. First of all, I'm going to be having my ishaki, followed by momo, which is cow skin, and I'm going to be adding my Maggi cube, seasoning, salt, add your water, and cover. Let's add our onions before we cover. Get back to this. Guys, let's add our chicken inside. So we're going to be cooking it for some minutes before we add our vegetable inside. Guys, okay. Now let me add my black leaf. After this, I will be adding, followed by blended crayfish. Blended pepper. You don't need so much pepper. If not my case, you know, if it, as I always say, always. And use 1/2 Maggi cube because I used Maggi already for the other when I was boiling my meat. So here we are. I'm going to be adding my oil right away. I used to buy the big one, but they were not having the big one when I get there. No big oil, so I decided to carry this one because I really need it. So I'm going to be adding my, first of all, sorry guys. First of all, I'm going to be adding my round fish. Let's cover it and let it boil before I will add my meat. Let's add our ishaki and cow skin inside. Nice. Black soup is here. Bring your plate, guys. It has been long I'm not eating black soup, and I'm very happy. Guys, let's add our chicken inside. This is the last thing we are adding. Guys, I feel like eating it already. It smells so good. I'm going to be leaving it for 2 minutes and my soup is ready. 2 minutes and my soup is ready, guys. I'm covering it. My round fish don't scatter. Oh my god. Are you saying that? Can you feel the black soup? Can you feel the bitter leaf soup? This can go with pounded yam fufu, eba fufu, starch fufu, gari fufu. This can go for yam fufu, guys. It can go with a lot of swallow. Thank you for joining me for today's video. See you in my next video. Till I come your way next time. Don't forget to share this video. Love you all. Bye for now. My food is ready.